this video we are going to look at how to do a treble crochet. I have chained 22 so that we can do a practice of this, and this should give you 20 stitches as we go along. So in the double crochet, if you recall, you yarned over once and then you started your stitch. With the treble crochet, the actual stitch itself is very similar, with the exception that we yarn over twice. So we're going to yarn over twice. We are going to go into the third chain. So 1, 2, third chain from the hook. And we are going to yarn over and pull through. And now you are going to have 4 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull through 2 of those. That leaves you then with 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, which again leaves you with 2, and yarn over and pull through your final 2. So this gives you the treble crochet. So hopefully you can see what it's doing is it's giving you a longer stitch than the double crochet would do. So if you think about the sizes of stitches that we've done, you've done a single crochet, you've potentially had a look at a half double crochet, a double crochet, and then the triple crochet, and they all go up to make a slightly taller stitch each time. So let's continue to do this. So if you recall, we're going to yarn around the hook twice. We're going to work our way into the stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through, and then yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over and through 2 again. So the actual stitch and the way that you make the stitch is exactly the same as a double crochet, but what we're doing is we're putting that extra yarn over through, which then gives us 3 yarn over, pull through 2 sections. So just to show you again, so yarn over around your hook twice, take it through the stitch, yarn over and pull that through, and then we are going to 3 times yarn over and pull through 2. So that's our first time, our second time, and our third time. And we are going to continue in this vein all the way along. So yarn over 2, put it through your loop, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Oh, that's just slipped off slightly. Yarn over and pull through 2. So wind around twice into your stitch, pull your yarn through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Now take this as quickly or as slowly as you wish to. What you're aiming to achieve is the same type of tension. So the tension is where we manage to keep the stitches of a similar size, both in height and in width. So let's continue again. So pull through, yarn over 2, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. Wrap round twice and through, pull through, yarn over 2, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. I'm going to continue this all the way along. So I am going to stop talking so that you can just concentrate on doing the stitches. If you need to pause the video, then pause it, and we'll meet up at the end. I'll not work too quickly, so you can follow along if you wish to. Made a mistake there. And up to our last 2. Oh, I did a double crochet there. Oh, I said last 2, it looks like it's the last 3. I missed that one, I don't know. Oh no, I'm right. Okay, and there we go. So that is our section of treble crochets. So any questions, let me know. Otherwise, happy hooking.